Hey everyone, I've got some good news to share for anyone who's got attachments, small tools, and other bits that they want to track and have not been able to find so far a solution that was both financially viable and also simply work. And that's been really the biggest pain for most of you guys. Well, in the last few weeks and months, we've been testing with a few customers a new solution. It's a tracker offered by Samsara called the AT11. And I'm happy to share that of all solutions that we've seen in the market in the last few years, this one seems to work, which is already a positive thing, but it's more than work. It works pretty well. And I'm going to show you a couple of examples. One of our customers here, you can see a tracking SAM tool. And the way these trackers work is the following. The tracker itself doesn't have any 4G or 5G cellular connection. All it does is transmit over Bluetooth. These Bluetooth signals are being picked either by what we call gateways, which are antennas or aerials or devices that you have to put on a job, on a yard. And that's just, for most people, simply not viable. Or in the case of Samsara, every single other tracker in the area, whether those are pickup trucks, trackers, or yellow assets, can pick up the signal. It's been really, really phenomenal. You can see here every single time this specific attachment or tool has pinged, and it was collected literally every few minutes. And it works absolutely seamlessly with Clue, which means that you really can get any of these trackers. They're fairly small. You can see some photos here of how to install them, whether that is on the equipment panel, or you can hide it or mount it to handles, bars, round surfaces, put them even in a tool case. The coverage that Samsara defines is about 1,000 feet if it's clear line of sight. But in most realistic situations, we're talking about 100 meters or 300 feet, which is still pretty reasonable. So that's the AT11 asset tag. If you are already working with Clue and with Samsara, then you can reach out either to us or to your Samsara account executive for more information, how to get a few of these, purchase a few of these for test. If you are new to Clue, and perhaps you already have a provider, perhaps you're in one of the many companies that Clue integrates. We integrate over 70 companies by now into our system. Your provider might still not have a good solution for tracking tools, small tools, attachments. And in that case, that's fine. You can stick to your existing vendor and using a platform like Clue, integrate another solution like Samsara for these things. So if tracking attachments, tracking small tools has been a pain for you, but your company spends millions of these things a year, we think there is a really good solution right now. You should feel free to reach out. We can give you more information about this, show you how it works. The beauty of all of this, it just works out of the box straight in Clue. I hope this is relevant for any of you guys with a fleet not just of yellow iron and on-road asset, but also the small things. Thanks.